Hi, good evening. So, today or tonight, I am going to try the balot. Balot is a duck egg. So what you do is it's very good. It's a very good nutrients and it has a lot of protein. So you crack a little bit like this, and don't okay, and we're going to put a little you're going to put a little salt in it. Ooh. And this is how it looks like.
ABS-CBN in the service of the Filipino.
Mama, nagkakain ka balot?
No.
And this is how it looks like. It has embryo of duck. Is it embryo or fetus?
Embryo.
So this is how it looks like. It's baby duck. Sometimes we eat with, you can actually see the baby duck. But this one, it looks like this is an embryo. So you can see. Yummy.
Sa sunod ng deportation ng mga dayuhang Pogo workers, sinimulan na ng Office of the Solicitor General ang proseso ng pagkansela sa kanilang mga birth certificate at pagpawi sa kanilang mga
balot.
Pagkatapos ng taong 2024, sunod-sunod ang naging pagpapauwi ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas sa mga dayuhang empleyado.